Realistic 3D Princess Meher in Snow Kingdom, soft morning light, golden palace behind, gentle cold wind, detailed snowflakes. Princess helping villagers in snowy streets, warm expressions, cinematic composition. Blue lightning cracking across frozen sky, sudden temperature drop, dramatic atmosphere. Snowstorm shaking royal palace, flags blowing, high realism. Princess noticing glowing mark on ancient wall, magical blue light. Hidden door opening in palace wall, mysterious map glowing. Fantasy map with ice symbols and glowing runes on old parchment. Princess Meher starting journey through snowy forest, determined look. Enchanted blue glowing trees in icy forest, mystical fantasy lighting. Handsome ice prince appearing in soft blue glow, snow particles floating. Ice prince warning Meher inside frozen cave, emotional expressions. Princess showing courage, strong face close-up, dramatic lighting. Giant ice bridge over deep abyss, windy atmosphere. Massive ice monster roaring, glowing blue eyes, intimidating stance. Ice prince holding Meher's hand, protective pose, emotional scene. Bridge cracking underfoot, snow particles flying, intense action.